Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to see HTML5 commands. Let's watch this amazing. In before tutorial we seen about table tags and how it was working, and I clearly explained what are the tags are available in table and how to style the table tags, which was already explained. And this styling which can be called as an internal styling. So in future while working with CSS I'll explain very clearly, so no need to worry about that. And this is the output which was done. If you missed the tutorial, the link was available in description. Just go learn how to create a tables by using HTML5. Now in this tutorial we are going to work with commands in HTML. So generally, yes, we created a some data. So just I'll create a new file which is called control N. I'm creating. So the name of the file is commands. Just I'm saving commands in HTML dot HTML. So yeah, I saved the file which is like commands in HTML. So every file was opening. Just I'll close the semantic tags, non-semantic tags, image tags, hyperlinks, tables. These all things was explained in before tutorial, guys. If you missed the tutorial, that all playlist link was kept in description. Just go and learn. So just I'm copying and I'm pasting here the actual syntax of this one, and just control S, and I'm increasing the size. You can see that. So this is the actual syntax of HTML, right? So now my task is I return some code. So here I return some code. If I save this one, just I'll go here, which is called commands. Yeah. So you can see that I'm getting the code which was I written. But I don't want these heading tags. What I can do that. So we are having a command which is just make it as this open bracket and exclamatory, two hyphens, you can see that. So I'm just control X this one, and where to be commented, just control V. And that means you written the code but you don't want, instead of removing, you just command and you can use some other time. So that is called commands. Just control S and save this one. Yes, if it is not working, so it was only working, this is Haripriya, because I didn't commented this one. So why, what is the use of commands? Generally we'll write so much of code while designing many websites, but you don't want that particular code, but it should be like you want to use some other time. So instead of removing, if you remove, you want to write again, right? So instead of doing that, just command, it will not shows any, and you can use some other time. So and show that just you, if you want only a h1, if you don't want from h2, just command from h2, and you should end by like this, and just control S, and you can see you will get like a h1 tag. So like this. So which tag you don't want to be in output, just command that. So guys, this is website, actually my website. I'll show my page source code. You can see I commented, you can observe that I just commented here. Just I'm increasing the size. Here I can, you just observe that I commented this text center h1 class, something I commented which was, but I want this code but I don't want to be displayed in my website, so that's why I commented. So many things, I think I did many commands if I want to do that. So generally, so if you don't want to use, just the commands are very important, that's why you can see that. So that I written, it's like a wrapping text. So if you're using like many this is big website, right? You are designing, so you need to explain to others like okay, this side it's like a header section, this like it's like a footer section. Here you can write the commands that, one thing you can write the commands that yeah, this is header section. That means if you are sharing the code to others, they can understand, okay, this is a header section. So you can use like that also. So this is all about commands. I think it's like a very clear explanation. So you can use the commands to not display in your website, otherwise to write documents, like means the others users can understand. So if you're sharing your code to your friend, they can understand also what's why you written this code by seeing, by reading this command. So this is all about commands. I'll come with another tutorial which is called form tags. So how to create the forms. Actually in my website I created a form. You can see that. Just I'll say just minus control s. You can see I created a form. So how to create a form in our website, I'll come with another tutorial. Until then, wait for next tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll come with the new videos and new tutorials for you. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button and give a like and share, and also just comment in comment section. Definitely I'll give reply to your comments. Thank you. Thank you for watching this.